Imagine this. Someone in your city searches for best bakery near me or top plumber in town. What's the very first thing they see? It's not your website, it's not your Instagram. It's those local map listings right at the top of Google. And those listings, they come straight from Google My Business, now called Google Business Profile. This is the single most powerful free marketing tool that most business owners completely overlook. But if you know how to master it, you can leapfrog your competitors, show up before paid ads, and turn Google into your best salesperson without spending a cent. Let's break down exactly how you can set up and optimize your Google Business Profile for massive visibility and real sales growth. Stick around because I'll also share advanced SEO strategies that local marketing pros charge thousands for. First, let's talk about why this matters. Over 82% of local searches end in a store visit or a phone call within just 24 hours. That means if your business isn't showing up in those map listings, you're basically invisible to the people who are ready to buy right now. This isn't just about being online. It's about owning your digital neighborhood and making sure your business is front and center when it matters most. So how do you get started? Head over to google.com/business and sign in with your business email. Enter your business name, choose the most accurate category, and add your location. If you don't have a physical storefront, you can still set a service area so people know where you operate. Next, fill in your business hours, contact information, and website link. Don't skip this step. Accuracy here builds trust with both Google and your customers. Now here's a pro tip. Upload high-quality photos of your products, your team, and your workspace. Listings with photos get up to 200% more clicks than those without. Remember, your first impression happens on Google, not your website. So make your profile look professional, consistent, and full of life. But setting up your profile is just the beginning. Most businesses stop here and wonder why nothing happens. The real magic is in optimization. Use relevant keywords in your business description, but keep it natural and helpful. Post weekly updates, offers, or announcements. Google loves active profiles. Collect real customer reviews and reply to every single one, even the negative ones. Add your products and services with clear pricing and great photos. And don't forget the Quanda section. Answer common questions so customers feel confident choosing you. Every one of these actions sends a signal to Google that your business is trustworthy, relevant, and ready to serve. The result? You rank higher, get more clicks, more calls, and more sales. Now let's talk about data. Inside your Google Business Dashboard, you'll find analytics that show how customers found you, what keywords they used, where your traffic comes from, and how many people click to call, visit your website, or get directions. This data is pure gold. Use it to refine your keywords, update your posts, and double down on what's working. And here's the secret sauce: reviews. The more genuine 5-star reviews you collect, the higher you'll rank. Encourage happy customers to leave feedback after every purchase or service. Never buy fake reviews. Google can spot them instantly. Make it easy by adding a QR code to your receipts or thank you cards that links directly to your review page. It's a small step that builds massive credibility. Want to go even further? Use AI tools to automate your Google business presence. Tools like ChatGPT or Gemini can help you write optimized posts and replies. Scheduling platforms like Publer or Metricool let you plan weekly updates in advance. And design tools like Canva or Vista Create make your visuals pop. This keeps your profile active and professional, even when you're busy running your business. Google Business Profile isn't just a listing, it's your digital storefront, working 24/7 to bring you new leads, customers, and sales for free. So stop hiding, start optimizing, and let Google work for you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying boost sales. Your success story could be the next one we feature.